Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some KCET previous year questions on the chapter conics sections. So in the previous part of this conic sections, we have solved till the question number 30. So in this part, we shall start from the question number 31. So if you have any questions regarding any of the steps of the solutions or any other kinds of doubts if you have, then please write us in the comments section. And if you feel that you have more difficulty in any of the chapters of maths, then please write the name of that particular chapter in the comment section also, um, so that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter, which will be helpful for your KCET exam. Also, the homeworks on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here we shall start from the question number 31. So it is being asked the length of the chord joining the points P, which is 4 cos theta, 4 sin theta, and Q, which is 4 cos theta plus 60 degree, 4 sin theta plus 60 degree. So the length of this chord we have to find. Length of this chord. Length of this chord on the circle. Since any point on the circle x square plus y square equal to 16 can be written as 4 cos theta, 4 sin theta, since the radius is 4 units. Therefore, the length of the chord, length PQ, that will be equal to square root of 4 cos theta, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is 4 cos theta plus 60 minus 4 cos theta whole square plus, that is 4 sin theta plus 60 minus 4 sin theta whole square. So this will be square root of, so from here 4 square I can take as common, so this will be 16 into cos of theta plus 60 minus cos theta, plus this will be 16 into sin theta plus 60 minus sin theta, so whole square of that. Okay. So this will be, from here 16 I can take as common, so 4 will come outside, so 4 into square root of, which is a square cos square theta plus 60 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta into cos theta plus 60 degree, then plus sin square theta plus 60 plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta into sin theta plus 60. So this will be 4 into square root of cos square theta plus 60 degree plus sin square theta plus 60 degree plus cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 into sin theta plus 60 plus cos theta into cos theta plus 60. So therefore the length PQ will be equal to 4 into square root of, so this is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, and here also this is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 2 into, this will be cos theta into cos theta plus 60 plus sin theta into sin theta plus 60. So we know that cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B. So this can be written as 4 into root over 2 minus 2 into cos theta plus 60 minus theta. So theta and theta will cancel. So this is cos 60. This is 4 into root over 2 minus 2 into half. Cos 60 is half. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it is 4. So the answer is 4 units. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is asked to find the number of common tangents to the circles. So here is x square plus y square minus y equal to 0. So this we can write it as x square plus so here actually, so the rule is that if we have the equation as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then the center is minus g comma minus f, and the radius is given as square root of g square plus f square minus c. So therefore here we have g is equal to 0 and f is equal to minus half and c is 0. So therefore r will be equal to root over 0 square plus half square minus 0. So that is half. The radius is half. So 0 comma minus half, it means somewhere here. 0 comma minus half is the center, and it will pass to the origin since the radius is also half. So the circle will be somewhat like this. And this circle is x square plus y square plus y equal to 0. So here g is equal to 0 and f is equal to half. And so the radius is also half, since y the c is equal to 0 also. So therefore here the center is at, so here the center is at, here the center is at minus g, so 0 comma half, 0 comma half. So the circle is here, this is 0 comma half. So the equation of this circle is x square plus y square minus y equal to 0, and here f is half, so the equation of this circle is x square plus y square plus y equal to 0. So the two circles will touch each other at the origin. So at the origin they will touch each other. So the x-axis is one of the common tangents, so and the radius is also same, so it will have 3 common tangents. So option D is the correct answer. Then it is told that the coordinates of the center of the smallest circle passing through the origin and having x y equal to x plus 1 as a diameter. So y equal to x plus 1, it will pass through the point on the x-axis, it will intersect at 0 comma 1, and it will intersect the x-axis at minus 1 comma 0. So the straight line is like this, and it is told that it will coordinate center of smallest circle, and it should pass through the origin also. It is passing through the origin. It's passing through the origin. So now this is a right angle. It means that if we join these 2 points, then this is also a diameter of the circle. This is also the diameter of the circle. coordinates of the smallest circle. So if it is, so if it has to be a smallest circle, okay, so here this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So let's say this point is 1 comma 0, sorry, 0 comma 1, and this point is minus 1 comma 0. So this is the straight line which is y equal to x plus 1. So the circle should pass through this point, and this is the diameter. So it means that the smallest circle should be like this, where this is the diameter of the circle. Now this length is the same. So it means that if a perpendicular is drawn here, then this will be the center. This will be the center, the midpoint of these two. The midpoint of these 2 points will be the center of the circle. So therefore the midpoint will be minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So option B is the correct answer. Then it is told that the length of the diameter of the circle which cuts 3 circles, length of the diameter of the circles which cuts 3 circles orthogonally is. So let the equation of that circle, be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now the radius of that circle will be equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now therefore the length of the diameter, therefore the length of the diameter of this circle, that will be equal to 2r, that is equal to 2 into square root of g square plus f square minus c. So first we need to find the radius, then we can find the diameter also. So now we know that now if two circles cut each other orthogonally, if two circles cut each other orthogonally, then we have 2 into g1 g2 plus f1 f2, that is equal to c1 plus c2. Two into g1 g2 plus f1 f2, that is equal to c1 plus c2. So therefore it is told that x square plus y square minus x minus y minus 14 equal to 0. This circle also cuts this circle orthogonally. So therefore we can say that g into, now here g is minus half, so g into minus half into 2g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2, so 2f into f2 is minus half, that is equal to c1 plus c2, that is 14 minus c, so minus g minus f, that is equal to 14 minus c. So g plus f minus c, that is equal to minus 14. Therefore x square plus y square plus 3x minus 5y minus 10, that is equal to 0. So this is also orthogonal to this circle. Now therefore we can say that 2 into g into 3 by 2 plus 2 into g into minus 5 by 2, that is equal to c1. Actually this is c1 plus c2. Sorry, this is plus c and minus 14. Here c is minus 14, minus 14 plus c. So minus 14 plus c. So this is g plus f plus c, that is equal to 14. And this will be equal to minus 10 plus c. So this will be 2 will cancel, 2 will cancel. So 3g minus 5f is f. 3g minus 5f, that is equal to c minus 10. So this is equation 2. This is equation 1. Then the third circle is x square plus y square minus 2x, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 27, that is equal to 0. So therefore we can say that 2 into g into minus 1 plus 2f into 3 by 2 that is equal to minus 27 plus c. So this will be minus 2g plus 3f, that is equal to c minus 27. So this is equation 3. And g plus f plus c, that is equal to 14. So therefore g plus f so from here we get 3g minus 5f minus c, that is equal to minus 10. And from here we get that 2g minus 3f plus c, 2g minus 3f plus c, that is equal to 27. So now if we add these two, then we will get 3g minus 2f plus 2c, that is equal to 14 plus 27, that is 11, 2, 3, 4, 41. So now these two if we subtract, then we will have minus 2f plus 5f plus 2c plus c, that is equal to 41 minus 10, that is plus 10. So it means that 3f plus 3c, f plus 3c, that is 51. So therefore f plus c, that is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So f plus c is 17. So therefore g will be equal to 14 minus 17, that is minus 3. G is minus 3. G is minus c, 3. So therefore I can say that minus 6 minus 3f plus c, that is equal to 27. So therefore c minus 3f, that is equal to 27 plus 6, that is 33. So c is equal to 3f plus 33. Therefore f plus 3f plus 33, that will be equal to 17. So 4f equal to 17 minus 33. How much is that? 33 minus 17. So 7 2s are 14. So this is 6 to 1. Okay, 16. So then f is equal to 4. Sorry, this is minus 16. So f is equal to minus 4. So therefore c will be equal to 14 plus 17 plus 4, that is 21. So therefore we got g as minus 3, f as minus 4, and c as 21. C as 21. So therefore we have to find the length of the diameter of that circle. Therefore first we can find the radius. The radius will be g square plus f square minus c. So that will be square root of 3 square plus 4 square minus 21, that is 9 plus 16 minus 21, that is, this will be 25 minus 21, that is root over 4, that is equal to 2 units. So therefore the diameter will be 2r, that is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4 units. So option A is the correct answer. Then it is told for the parabola y square equal to 4x, the point P whose focal distance is 17, y square equal to 4x, the point P whose focal distance means the distance from the focus. So here the focus is at so here A is equal to 1, so focus is at 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0. So let's say the point is x comma y. So therefore it is told that PF, the length PF should be equal to 17. So length PF will be square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square, that is equal to 17. So it means that x minus 1 whole square plus y square, that is equal to 17 square, that is 289. 17 square is 289. Okay. So then we can say that x minus 1 whole square plus y square is 4x. 4x equal to 289. So then we can say that so here x can have positive value only. X should be greater than or equal to 0. So this will be x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4x, that is equal to 289. So therefore x square plus 2x minus 288, that is equal to 0. So 288, if I do the prime factorization, that will be 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 4. So this is 2 7s are 14, 2 to the 4, then 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, then 2 18s are 36. So this is 4 4s are 16. So 18 into 16. 18 into 16 is 288. So therefore I can say this will be x plus 18 into x minus 16, that is equal to 0. It means x can be equal to 16 or minus 18, but minus 18 I can't take. Therefore x should be equal to 16. So if x is 16, then y will be how much? So y square equal to 4 into 16, then y will be equal to plus or minus 2 into 8, that is plus or minus 16. Sorry, this is 4 for the 16, 2 for the 2 for the 8. So plus or minus 8 will be plus or minus 8. Plus or minus 8. So y can be plus or minus 8. Therefore the points on the parabola y square equal to 4x, whose focal distance is 17, one is 16 comma 8 and one is 16 comma minus 8. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 36 is, the angle between the tangents drawn to the parabola, that is y square equal to 12x, the angle between the tangents drawn to the parabola from the point minus 3 comma 2. So here two tangents can be drawn to this parabola from the given point. So we need to find the angle in between these two tangents. So now if y square equal to 4ax, then we can say that 2 dy by dx, 2y dy by dx, that is equal to 4a. So therefore dy by dx is 2a by y, 2a by y. Therefore if the tangent to a parabola, if the tangent to a parabola is of the form is y equal to mx plus c, then if we solve it with this, if the tangent to a parabola y square equal to 4ax is y equal to mx plus c, then if we solve it with this, then it will have only one root, since the tangent will intersect the parabola at only one point. So therefore mx plus c whole square, that is equal to 4ax. Therefore I can say m square x square plus c square plus 2mcx, that is equal to 4ax. So therefore I can say m square x square plus 2mc minus 4a into x plus c square, that is equal to 0. So therefore if it has only one root, then the discriminant should be equal to 0. So therefore b square should be equal to 4ac. So therefore I can say 4m square c square plus 16a square minus what to the 8 16 16 mac, that is equal to 4m squared c square. So these two will get cancelled. So then we can write that 16 and 16 also will cancel, so a and a will cancel, so mc, that is equal to a, so c is equal to a by m, c should be equal to a by m. So therefore y equal to mx plus a by m is the equation of the tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax. Now therefore so here the equation of the parabola is y square equal to 12x. So therefore it means a is equal to 3. So therefore the equation of the tangent will be equation of the tangent to this parabola, equation of tangent to this parabola will be y equal to mx plus 3 by m, and it passes through the point minus 3 comma 2, and it passes through the point minus 3 comma 2. So therefore you can say that if I put minus 3 comma 2, then it should have two roots actually, since there are two tangents which will pass through the same point. There will be two tangents which passes through the same point, so it should have two roots. So if I put minus 3 comma 2, so this will be 2 equal to minus 3m plus 3 by m, and this equation should have two roots. And if we have to find the angle between the tangents, so it will have two roots, m1 and m2. One of the roots will give us the slope of one of the tangents, and the other slope will give the slope of the other tangent through the same point P. So therefore if we need to find the angle in between these two tangents, then tan theta will be equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 if theta is the acute angle in between these two tangents. So therefore we can say 2m, that is equal to minus 3m square plus 3. So therefore it is 3m square plus 2m minus 3, that is equal to 0. So it means here we can see that the sum of the roots m1 plus m2, that is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots m1 m2, that is equal to c by a, that is minus 1. Now product of the roots is minus 1, product of the slopes is minus 1, therefore the two tangents are perpendicular to each other. Therefore the two tangents are perpendicular to each other, therefore the angle, the required angle in between them is 90 degree. The angle between them is 90 degree. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Then it is asked the number of values of C such that the line y equal to 4x plus c, it touches the curve x square by 4 plus y square, that is equal to 1. So if it will touch the curve, then it should be a tangent to this curve. It should be a tangent to this curve. Therefore if we solve it, then we should get only one root. So we can get only one root if the discriminant of the quadratic equation should be 0. So therefore x square by 4 plus y means 4x plus c whole square, that should be equal to 1, and this quadratic equation should have its discriminant as 0. Since why it should have only, since it should have only one root. Since any tangent will touch the curve at only one point, it means that it is intersecting at only one point. It means that it should have only one root. Therefore, x square by 4 plus 16x square plus c square plus 4 the 8, 8x 8cx, that is equal to 1. So therefore 16 plus 1 by 4 means 4, 64 65 by 4x square plus 8cx plus c square minus 1, that is equal to 0. The number of values of c such that this line touches this curve. Therefore the discriminant should be equal to 0. It means that b square should be equal to 4ac. So therefore 64c square, that is equal to 64c square minus 64. Okay. So it means that it is coming minus 64, that is equal to 0, but so it means that there is no such values of c for which discriminant is equal to 0. So it means that there is no such, okay. So this is sin c square sin x square plus c square plus 8cx, that is equal to 1. 16 plus 1 by 4, sorry, this is 65 6 square minus 65. Okay. So this will be 64c square, that is equal to 65c square minus 65. So therefore 65c square minus 64c square, c square equal to 65. So therefore c equal to plus or minus root 65. So there are two real values of c for which the discriminant is equal to 0. Therefore there are two such values of c. There are two possible values of c for which the given line is a tangent to this curve, for which the given line will touch the curve. Given line will touch the curve. So 2 is the correct answer, means option D. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 38. It is told, if the circle x square plus y square equal to a square intersects the hyperbola xy equal to c square in 4 points P, which is x1, y1, Q, which is x2, y2, and R, which is x3, y3, and S, which is x4, y4. Then, so if this circle intersects the hyperbola in 4 points, so it means that the hyperbola, which is xy equal to c square, that should intersect this circle x square plus y square equal to a square at 4 points. It means that if we solve this curve with this curve, then it should have 4 roots. Therefore from here we get y equal to c by x square, c square by x, c square by x. Then if we put that y here, then we will get x square plus c square by x whole square, that is equal to a square. So then we can say x square plus c power 4 by x square, that is equal to a square. So then we can say x power 4 plus c power 4, that is equal to a square x square. So then we can say that x power 4 minus a square x square plus c power 4, that is equal to 0. Now it should have 4 roots. 4 roots it should have. Four different roots it should have. So therefore this quadratic equation should have 2 distinct roots. Now so it should have 4 roots, 4 real roots. Okay, so it means that the rule is that if we have the equation as ax power 4 plus bx power 3 plus cx square plus dx plus e, that is equal to 0, then we know that it will have 4 real roots. Then the sum of the roots x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, if it is having 4 roots x1 x2 x3 and x4, then sum of the roots is minus b by a, and product of the roots is x1 x2 x3 x4, that is equal to minus plus minus plus 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 minus plus, so that is e by a, and then so here there is no term containing x cube. There is no such term containing x cube. Therefore the coefficient of x cube is 0 here. So it means it is x power 4 plus 0 into x cube minus a square x square plus 0 into x. It means since there is no term containing x, it means the coefficient of x should be 0 plus c power 4, that is equal to 0. So it means the sum of the roots, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, that should be equal to 0. It means that option B is the correct answer. And if we take the product of the roots, that is x1 into x2 into x3 into x4, that will be equal to c power 4, and it should not be 2c power 4. So option D is wrong. Then we can also find the product of the y, that is since x1 we can write it as c square by x1. C is x1 we can write it as x is c square by y, since it should be a point on the hyperbola also. So x1 is c square by y1 into c square by y2 into c square by y3 into c square by y4, that should be equal to c power 4. So c power 4 and c power 4 will cancel. Then we can also say that y1 into y2 into y3 into y4, that is equal to c power 4 also. But here it is given it is equal to 2, so it is wrong. It is equal to 2c power 4, so it is wrong. Okay, so it means that option B only is the correct answer. Then in the next question it is told that okay, so here we shall end our class on conic sections. So in the next part we shall start from the question number 39. So hope you have understood the solutions of all these 8 questions which we had solved in this part 3. So please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload some homework questions. So thank you everyone. Bye.